Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh once again. I'm with you in a new video on Oracle 10G Express Edition. In the past video lecture, we consider the update command of SQL that changes the data into a table. That means modification or updation made on the table data only. There is no change in the scheme. Now, today we consider one more thing about the update command. In the prior video lecture, we only discuss the single column value to be updated according to the condition. Now today's lecture we will consider all the required column values to be updated according to the condition as recommended by the user. Okay, so let's start with the terminal. It is all already connected, and we are using with the tables like EM. Okay, so the past lecture we use this table and update the table to city to Jammu without any condition. Jalur is updated today by me before this video lecture. Now I'm going to update this table, update emp that name equals to Abhishek and gender equals to female, where id equals to 11. Okay, so CK name can only be of character long. So I am giving the name Abhi. Okay, so I am giving a name Abhi. Okay. So we are using another table. I don't know what is the check applied on this table. I don't remember what it is. So let's check with another table. Select the star from tab. So these are our tables. Okay, I'm using table XYZ here, or can we use the table food? Okay, so select the star from food. Name. Okay, now we have many items here. Okay, 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Check, Chex Mix, Cheese It, BN Biscuits, Mighty Munch, Pot Rice, Jaffa Cakes, Salt and Shake. Okay, so I'm now um, going to change the item to pieces, uh, from pieces to quantity. Okay, and or company ID will change the company ID and the item name. The two values I'm going to, or we have to change check the schema food. Okay, so this is the schema. So now we are update. Table name is food. Set item name equals to is health sandwich or healthy food prepared like pizza. Okay, that is a good choice. Okay, so it can be uh, it can be applied to 15 size. Okay, so I'm now going to change the company ID. CANY underscore ID equals to 12. Okay, where item underscore ID equals to ID. Okay, so on row is the so let us check what is just updated here. Select star from food table. So the item ID which is having the ID 6, whose name was something different before we updated. Now the name is, and the company ID which was some another value. Now it is now it will be 12. Company ID is okay. So so today we learn about how to update multiple column values using it. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.